start with a very important concept in Python, that is strings. So firstly, let's understand what all ways we can declare a string in Python. So the first way of doing that, most of the people would be aware of it. You can just give that in double quotes. The other way, we can also use single quotes to declare a string in Python. Not only that, for you to declare a string in Python, you can use 3 double quotes. If you use 2, you will get an error. Either you can use 1 or 3, and you can give the string, and then again you can use 3 double quotes. The same way, you can also use 3 single quotes. So these are all the different ways we can declare a string in Python, and for all these statements to print, we would just write X. But then there are a lot of other things we would explore in this lecture. That is, what if from a string I want to read letter A? What if in a string I want to read from letter A to K? What if in a given string I want to find out what is the length of the string? So let's try to see this one by one, and at once we would type all this code. So let's say we have a string X equals Pankaj, and if I want to read letter A, all you need to do is P is stored at index 0, A is stored at index 1, N at 2, and that goes on. So all I need to do is just write here print X of 1. And when you do this, this would print letter A. Now suppose if I do this print len of X, then this would give me the length of the string. Okay, the length of the string is 6. Okay, the length of the string is 6. Suppose if I do this print X, open the bracket, let's write 1 colon, and let's write 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. So what it would do now, it would start reading the letters starting from 1, 2, right, that is A, N, but it would not read 3. 1 to 3, it means basically letter from index 1 and 2 would be read, but the letter from the index 3 would not be read. Let's type these programs and let's look at the output. So let's start with the string. Firstly, I'll start with double quotes, and I'm able to save the data, there is no error. Let me try with single quotes. I'm able to store the data, no error. Let me try to store with 2 double quotes, and again 2 double quotes, error. But let me try to store with and there is no error. Same way I can try for single quotes, 3 single quotes, no error. But now let's try reading the value. So when I read X, it gives me the complete string. When I read X of 1, X of 1, it gives me letter A. When I write print len of X, then it gives me the length, that is 6. When I write print X in the bracket 1, 3, close the bracket, run. So it is not giving me the letter at index 3, it's giving me the letter only 1 and 2. I hope this concept was quite clear.